What's up, fools? I run the show here.
3 points! She's so delicate.
Catch this, homie.
Whoa! Hey guys, hey. Oh no.
Come here, give me one. Oh. You're going down!
Wait!
Who is that softie?
Let's go! Here's my room.
One more drop of pink and I'm gonna puke.
Make yourself comfy.
Ouch.
Let me. Oh my, are you in the UFC? This will help. Are you ready?
For some grass? Whatever, give me that.
Not like that.
Huh? Yeah, you're right. Chili sauce is always needed. Things are about to get spicy.
This girl. Let's cut the thorns carefully. Now take this top layer off. No worries. Come here, Buck. You're a super weasel now.
Can't see a thing, dude.
Let's wait a bit. She doesn't need to find about my love for her. Look at this little guy. I was so cute. Be gone. Wakey, wakey.
Wait a minute.
The last touch.
Tell me this is not some kind of makeup.
Look.
That smooth look ain't not bad. Like it. That fool will like it too, and we will have a bunch of badass babies.
Yeah, baby. Oh no! Your teeth!
Huh? Why don't they look good? They are my hunter weapons.
I got something for you. My favorite cleaning teeth pills.
Let's pop them. Looks like I've had lunch with an avatar. I love it. More.
But
Make it rain.
Careful.
That's quite the snack.
Don't worry, we will fix this.
Fix what?
Forget it, we will need the big guns. This will do. Hold tight. Almost done. The best day of my life.
You can scrub harder. Justin.
Got a little carried away.
What's next?
Let's see your hair.
Excuse me? Yeah, wild like me, baby.
I have a better idea. Woo!
What the?
Cutting time! And I'm not talking about editing.
What are you doing, fool?
Ta-da!
Nah.
Okay, just wait. The perfect hair dye. The doctor for the operation is ready. This color suits her so much. Ready?
Nah.
How about this?
But how can this work? Oh, wait, I know. LeBron James is ready. Ha!
Not like this.
Whatever, mate.
This is for your hair. Watch and learn, girl. Don't get it twisted. I'm a pro in that.
Let me check it. Huh?
Hey, gorgeous. Your hair's ready.
Hey, I'm feeling myself. Maybe this look is not that bad. I can feel the wind blowing through my hair. Okay, that's enough.
Alrighty. Let's do the eyelashes.
Huh? Get that hairy thing off me. I'll do it myself. We'll need a handful. Ah, perfect. Oh my.
Ugh. Let me help you.
Did it work? Tell me it did.
Very much so. Even your voice changed suddenly. Let's finish the job. My purple delight. Naomi, my good friend. Now let's blend it together. The result will shock you, hon. Just a bit more.
Is it ready? You're a magician, Justin.
The magic is already in you. Check.
Cool. Yes. What?
Still a long way to go. Let me fix it.
Thanks. You did good.
Now your lips. Let me get to work. I will outline them like I've outlined our future together in my head. What? We're on point with the color once again. Repeat after me. I like your lips.
Thanks.
Give me a little test sample. I will close my eyes.
It'll be a total knockout.
Oh, love hurts. World history? Looks familiar.
Yeah.
This girl is a time traveler. We need to fix your posture.
His party's starting soon.
This will help you, my little cave girl. Fasten your seatbelts.
This doesn't work.
I have an idea. The dictionary. It shouldn't fall. Stay straight.
What is this?
I'll show you. Ha! Yep, Mr. Policeman. I can walk in a straight line. So, just like that.
Looks easy. Let me do it. It is going well. Huh? Easy.
Bravo!
Child's play. Boom, boom. It was glue, of course. Got him.
What? Did she just... nice prank.
Let me show him what he'll deal with. Do the Kyle face. More, with more passion. Yikes, flatlined. Are they hiding somewhere? Aha, it's a hairy situation, but I know a way out. More than ready to go. Spotless.
Don't worry, just smile. Try a girlier pose. Okay, I meant something less manly. Okay, that's enough. We just need to do some magic now. Lanza will help us. Almost done. Look.
Wow, I look like the rest of the girls in my school now. Sometimes I don't feel the need to be hard all the time. Sometimes I want to be a princess.
Huh? Wow. I definitely like that. Who is she?
He will be mine.
Hold on, Chewbacca. Ha! Let's do this. This may hurt a little. 1, 2, 3.
Ah! But outfit is fire! Yeah, get it!
We need to change your clothes.
I don't really like anything.
You just do this. Ta-da! You try it.
Office lady? Okay. How about that? Nah.
You should try this.
Wow, Elsa in the house, but it's getting hot. Yeah.
Look at her. What is this? You need to wear these.
Okay, whatever you say, Simp. I meant friend.
Let me help you. Whoa, a hole in the plan.
All good?
Fantastic. Well, this thing is radioactive. Straight into the toxic waste bin. I hope it will contain the radiation. Who is this lady? That glass.
I like them.
I did too. Now walk.
Okay, here we go.
Got you. You are here.
Sure I am. Nothing happened.
We need to fix your nails. The makeover is not done yet. Time for these guys to shine. No more biting, girl. This is so soothing. Yeah, that's the shape we're going for. A sprinkle of blue is always needed. Ready?
They are beautiful.
Final touch. Sweet like yourself. Full of good luck charms.
Thank you, Justin. The party's already started. I have to go.
Wait, what? Oh, that's why you don't simp, guys.
It's my time to shine now. Wow.
Whoa! Hey, girl!
Hey. Hi.
Hey, beautiful.
He noticed me.
It's so hot today, not talking about the weather. What's going on?
What? How could he?
Oh, no! Come here, I got something for you.
For me? Justin, you've been so good to me. What was I thinking, falling for a jerk when he was here all along? I guess nice guys don't always finish last. At least that is not how my story will end. Come here.
Wanna go?
Let's go.
Ever wonder how they make Barbie dolls? Just put these silver shoes in unicorn tears, then wait for it to do its magic. Oop, that was fast. Let's see what we've got. I already got one of these. Oh, it comes with instructions. For a mermaid ladybug look, I'll do a makeover for you. Let's start. Now, what makes a mermaid ladybug? Gotta make sure we list everything we need. We can't be caught without a plan. Now, let's see. This one's quite a challenge. Ladybug plus mermaid. I'm not good at math. We'll just have to wing it. Huh? Oh, hey. It's a ladybug to mermaid manual. Wow, that's more like it. did you do to me? Oops, sorry. Let's start with the makeover. Oh, would you look at that? Clean face it is. You should get into something more comfortable. Ew. You need a wash. Wow. This is perfect. No need to sulk, Barbie. You'll be clean in no time. Let me just add soap into this jar. It's your time now. Take a deep breath. Now on to business. Shaking the dust off of you. Whew, that's enough weightlifting for the day. You need more bubbles. You're gonna be squeaky clean by the time I'm done. That should be enough. You can get out of the bath now. Whew, finally. You need to brush, too. Now, where were we? Next up, a mermaid bra. I'm pretty lost on where to start. Honey, lunchtime! Smells like lunch. But I also smell a mermaid outfit brewing. Huh? Where did it go? Thanks, Mom! Time to get to work! These shells are great. But you know what will make them perfect? The color red! I'll coat the whole thing in red paint. Cool! I'm missing something. I knew there was a ghost in this house. But life goes on, huh? Did you see that? It needs a dash of pepper. You can't walk around with plain boring bras. It needs a little zing. And to tie it all together, a string, of course. How did I do? It's gorgeous. I love it. I like it also. Let's clean up a bit. Ouch! Oops, sorry. Let's go for the next one. It's time for the tail. What are we working with? Oh, these are legs, all right. They're pretty, but they're not a tail. I've got a simple solution! Thanks! I'll tape your legs together using this. And since it's red, I'll just wrap it in the thing. Genius, right? Ta-da! Now you have a tail. Wow. Something's missing. But sleep comes first. Wait a sec. This just gave me $1 million idea. I'm in a salad mood, huh? Again? Oh well. Mom's got all the gadgets. Now let's grade all these sequins. How convenient is this? Look at all that sparkle. But we're not done yet. You'll never see a ladybug without her spots. All done. Isn't it beautiful? Wow, Mandy, I look amazing! Glad you liked it. I don't need it anymore. What in the world? It's the ghost! We're halfway done! What's next? A yo-yo? This is gonna be tricky. I've got it! I'll use my ladybug hair clips. They're just the right size for Barbie. First, I'll put hot glue on the insides. Then I'll stick them back to back. Looks good! And lastly, I'll use my bracelet as the rope. Now, you can play yo-yo. Wow, I have yo-yo now! Cool, huh? I also have one. Check this out! Yeah! Oops, my bad. Up next, hairstyle! We'll start with a brush. An obstacle already? What's that on your hair? Is that gum? It's pretty tough. But it's no match for me. Ow!